soluble,
noble,
empathetic,
sincere,
humble,
ஈன்ற பொழுதின் பெரிதுவக்கும் தன் மகனை சான்றோன் எனக் கேட்ட தாய். எமது செல்வன் தினேஷ் பதவி உயர்வு பெற்ற செய்தி கேட்டவுடன் மேற்கண்ட திருவள்ளுவரின் திருக்குறள்தான் எம் உள்ளத்தில் பூந்தென்றல் என வீசுகிறது. தன் கடின உழைப்பாலும் நேர்மை தவறாத தன் குணத்தாலும் இந்த பதவி உயர்வை அடைந்திருக்கின்றான். எங்கள் மகன் பணியாற்றும் மகேந்திரா நிறுவனம் இமயமலையென உயர்ந்திட வாழ்த்துகிறோம். தங்கள் நிறுவனத்திற்கு எங்கள் நன்றி.
வாழ்த்துக்கள் தினேஷ்.
Hi Pa, congratulations for your well-deserved promotion. I'm so happy your HR called me and informed me that you're receiving a promotion this year and asked me to speak few words on the same. But what happened is like they have informed me that not to inform you. It's a confidential. So I was not able to share with you my happiness to you also, even though I know earlier. Sorry for that. This is all because of your dedication, passion towards your work, your hard work. That's why you received this promotion this year. So happy. As a partner, you know, I'll be there always with your all ups and downs in your life. Once again, wishing you a great success in a new role, and I want to see you to achieve many more in future too. Thank you.
Congratulations, Daddy.
Hi Daddy, congratulations. I heard you got promoted. I wish you more success in your life.
हॅलो राहुल, अभिनंदन. खूप अडथळे पार करून हे यश प्राप्त केलेलं आहे. याबद्दल पुन्हा एकदा अभिनंदन करतो आणि मोठा प्रयत्न करून तू खूप मोठे यश प्राप्त केलेलं आहे. असंच नेहमी उत्तरोत्तर तुझी प्रगती होत जाऊ असा शुभाशीर्वाद देऊन थांबतो. नमस्कार.
राहुल, तुला नुकतंच प्रमोशन मिळालं ही बातमी समजल्यानंतर मनापासून आनंद झालेला आहे. कोणतंही प्रमोशन मिळताना त्यातले कामकाज हे उत्कृष्ट प्रकारे केल्यामुळेच प्रमोशन हे मिळतं आणि तू कामात अत्यंत पर्टिक्युलर असल्यामुळेच तुला प्रमोशन मिळालेलं आहे. तुला प्रमोशन मिळाल्याबद्दल देशमुख परिवारामार्फत तुझे मनापासून हार्दिक अभिनंदन. असेच उत्तरोत्तर तुझी प्रगती व्हावी हीच ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना आणि भविष्यासाठी तुला शुभेच्छा.
हाय राहुल, तुझ्या प्रमोशनबद्दल तुला खूप सारे शुभेच्छा.
Hello, congratulations Papa on your promotion. I feel really happy and proud of you. I love you.
Hello, congratulations my determined husband. Promotion is a validation of your drive to success. All of your hard work lead to this moment. Wishing you a continued success in your new role and responsibilities. Feeling so much happy for you today and completely and totally proud of you. Once again, congratulations on your promotion.
Congratulations Rahul on your well-deserved promotion. Your dedication and hard work have truly paid off. Wishing you all the best in this new chapter of your career.
Congratulations Daddy. Congratulations Radhappa.
Raja, congratulations Raja.
Congratulations Pa, God bless you.
Hi Raja, surprise. Congratulations first. எப்போவுமே August 1st you will call me, and the first call I think I won't attend because mostly I would have been busy, and after that you will come and say that you have got that, you have got this, everything, then I'll start with the congratulations. But this time I know it beforehand. Okay, so anyway, congratulations for your promotion and we are very happy for it. I've told you many times, three things are very, very important. One is you do your best and God will do the rest. The second one, hard work will always be rewarded, so don't worry. And the third one, always be patient. Be patient for your turn to come. Yes, all these three things has happened and now you have been rewarded for it. So we are very, very happy for it. Congratulations, because you have been promoted. Thank you.
Congratulations on your promotions, my dear hubby. I am so proud of you. Your dedication, enthusiasm, and insight are totally inspiring. You did a great achievement. Congratulations once again.
ஷியாமினோட தொழில் முன்னேற்றத்துக்கு என்னோட மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துகள். இதை உனக்கு போலவே வழிநடத்த வேண்டும் என்று இதை மனதார வேண்டுகிறேன்.
Congratulations, Daddy. I'm so glad that you got your promotion. I have a lot to talk about you, but I'll finish short and sweet. You have worked hard for this and you deserve it. I love you, Daddy.
Hi, Appa.
ஹாய்ங்க, இந்த இயர் உங்களுக்கு ப்ரமோஷன் கிடைச்சிருக்கு. எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. உங்களுக்கு சந்தோஷமா இருக்கு. நீங்கள் இன்னும் மேலே மேலே வளரணும். உங்களோட ஹார்ட் ஒர்க்குக்காக கிடைச்சது இந்த ப்ரமோஷனு. இந்த ஃபேமிலி சப்போர்ட் உங்களுக்கு எப்போவுமே இருக்கும். ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம், ஹாப்பியாக இருக்கும்.
Hi, Appa. Yeah, you're getting a promotion this year. I'm happy about that. I hope so you attain more heights.
Thank you.
English. Feel very proud of you. They called me and they said that you have got promoted. I felt very excited and they asked me to do a video wishing you success, and I'm very proud of you. I know how hard you have worked for this promotion and your dedication and your passion towards work have been rewarded. What not to say, he's a man of simplicity, elegance, and his dedication to his work has been rewarded. And thank you one and all for this promotion. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this celebration in this career. You're truly incredible and you have inspired me because of your commitment and dedication. And again, from the bottom of my heart, wishing you all success and many more laurels to come.
Congrats, Appa.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. Everything is going well by God grace. You all surprised to see me here with all of you, right? I was also surprised to hear I will have to join with you. Next, my heartfelt gratitude to Mahindra and Mahindra for considering me to share some news with all of you. I am overwhelmed. Let me open the good news for you. Mr. Shuman, I am thrilled to tell you you got promoted. It's my personal feeling. Hard work and dedication always get noticed. I salute all of you for your hard work and dedication. Thanks again to the company for this consideration. Many congrats, Mr. Chaudhary. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Hi, you must be surprised seeing me in this video. I'm just taking a minute to congratulate you on your new promotion. I've first hand seen you put so much effort, dedication and resilience into your current role. I'm really excited to see the great work that you are going to do in your new role. All the best and congratulations. We are all so happy and proud of you.
Today we are very happy for getting promotion. Thank you for MRV.
చివరికి చాలా ప్రమోషన్ వచ్చినందుకు నాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది.
హాయ్ అండి, కంగ్రాచులేషన్. మీకు ప్రమోషన్ వచ్చినందుకు. మీరు ఫ్యూచర్లో ఇంకా మంచి ప్రమోషన్స్ తెచ్చుకోవాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఐ విష్ యూ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫర్ ఫ్యూచర్. థ్యాంక్స్ టు మహీంద్రా.
Hello Suresh, heartiest congratulations for your promotion. May God bless you. I also wish your Mahendra to grow high to the sky.
దీనికి ప్రమోషన్ వచ్చినందుకు కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. మీ టాలెంట్ గుర్తించి నేను మహేంద్ర థ్యాంక్స్. గుడ్ లక్.
హాయ్ బాగా కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్. ఇలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఎన్నో విజయాలు సాధించాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.
కంగ్రాట్స్ సురేష్ గారు, మీరు ఉద్యోగంలో ఇంకా ఎంతో ముందుకు ఎదగాలని ఆశిస్తున్నాను.
Congrats Suresh for elevation in cadre.
A round of applause for your well-deserved promotion. You are an inspiration to us.
And your discipline and attitude seems to be the reason your graph of success keeps going up. So I aspire to be like you. Congratulations on your promotion.
Congratulations, Babai, for the promotion. Hope you contribute more to the organization and reach new heights. All the best.
Company is lucky to have you. Good luck.
Tesh, congratulations. This is a very big surprise for me and a very well deserved one for you. And you were always a very hardworking person and a well deserving person always. And you always deserve the best. You are always the best. And keep up the good work. And you will surely outshine everybody. I'm sure about it. And you will continue to be the best as always. And I'm really happy for you. And thank you for the joy you've given me always. And best of luck. And thank you.
Hi, Amit. Congratulations.
Congratulations on your well-deserved promotion. I'm so happy today and proud of you. All the best.
Yeah, congrats again. You definitely deserve the promotion. I'm proud of you.
हाय. थोडं आश्चर्य वाटलं असेल ना की आम्ही हा व्हिडिओ का पाठवतो आहोत, पण आज आम्ही खूप आनंदात आहोत. कारणच तसं आहे, कारण की आज तुम्ही जी मेहनत केली आहे त्याला खूप छान फळ मिळालं आहे. हो, तुम्हाला प्रमोशन मिळालं आहे. येस, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. खूप खूप कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. आज तुमची मेहनत आम्ही खूप जवळून बघितली आहे. तुम्ही जे प्रामाणिकपणे काम करता, जी प्रामाणिकपणे मेहनत करता, मग तेव्हा तुम्ही दिवस बघत नाही, रात्र बघत नाही की हां आता तर माझी ऑफिसची वेळ संपली आहे, आता मी कुठलाही ऑफिसचा कॉल अटेंड करणार नाही. हा ॲटिट्यूड कधी तुम्ही ठेवला नाही, तर त्याचंच फळ तुम्हाला हे मिळतं आहे. हो, खरंच. आज घरात सुद्धा कितीही प्रॉब्लेम आले, पण त्याचाही तुम्ही कधीही तुमच्या कामावर परिणाम होऊ दिला नाही, किंवा ऑफिसचे टेन्शन्स किंवा ऑफिसचं स्ट्रगल याचासुद्धा तुम्ही घरात कधी राग काढला नाही, कधी फ्रस्ट्रेशन काढलं नाही. आणि त्याच्याचमुळे तुम्ही आज आम्हालासुद्धा खूप खुश ठेवला आहे. आणि तुमच्या या प्रामाणिकपणाचं खरोखर आज चीज झालेलं आहे. त्याच्यामुळे येस, आज सेलिब्रेशन. तेव्हा पुन्हा एकदा खूप खूप कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स.
कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स बाबा, लव यू.
For giving this opportunity to talk about Manish. Manish is a sincere, hardworking and a honest person. He feels proud to work in Mahindra. He is a very good husband and good father for our kids. Lastly, I would like to thank everyone at Mahindra for giving this promotion, especially his bosses. Thank you.
He couldn't be prouder to call you Papa and a husband. You know what? You're a pillar of strength for all of us, and you will be always like that, I hope. And you know what, Sabi? You have done a great job. You're a very good person. You're a hardworking person. You're a very good family person, a father and a husband. And I'm proud that you have not mixed both the things. You have kept them separate, and you have done your duties very properly, and you have got a great impact in both the fields. We are proud of you for your this special day. आज ज़्यादा तारीफ नहीं, but really you have done a great job. So congratulations on this great day.
We are proud of you, Papa.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Vaibhav. I'm so happy on your achievement after such a long time and struggle, like getting relocated to some other places from Metro City, Mumbai, and staying away from your parents. Every time to leave them alone at home in Mumbai, and I have seen your struggle, I have seen your sacrifice, and after all the sacrifices and struggle, you are at this position now, and I and Baba must be very happy and must be showering lot of blessings on you from wherever they are right now. And I'm also very, very, very proud of you because you have completed so many years in this company and still you are achieving your goals. And keep it up. Vaibhav, keep it up. I'm very happy for you. Me, Brinda, Manisha Tai. Manisha Tai also wanted to say many things for you, but this is just a 2 minutes video. So we three love you, proud of you, and congratulations once again. Keep it up.
Congratulations, Ritu.
वैभव, तुला खूप खूप आशीर्वाद आणि अशीच प्रगती तुझी वाढत राहू दे.
Congratulations, Mama, on your promotion.
Vaibhav, congratulations. This is a well-deserved success. Wishing you even more success in the future.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
खूप खूप अभिनंदन तुझं, खूप खूप तुला शुभेच्छा. आज तुला कंपनीतून तुझ्या मेहनतीप्रमाणे कंपनीला दिलेल्या योगदानामुळे तुला जे प्रमोशन दिलं आहे ते डिझर्व आहे. अशीच उत्तरोत्तर प्रगती तुझी होत जावं असा तुला आमचा आशीर्वाद. खूप खूप अभिनंदन. कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन.
Vaibhav, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Abhinandan, Abhinandan.
Congratulations.
Oh, Abhinandan.
Congratulations.
Hats off to you.
Congratulations.
नमस्ते, मी मिसेस वागचौरे. मी HR डिपार्टमेंटचे खूप आभार मानते की त्यांनी आम्हाला ही बोलण्याची संधी दिली. जनरली लेडीज कधी हजबंडचे आभार मानत नाहीत, पण ह्या निमित्ताने ते आभार मानले जातील आणि कधी कधी मानलेही पाहिजे, कारण त्यांना ऑफिस आणि घर हे दोन्ही बॅलन्स करायचं असतं. घरालाही वेळ द्यायचा असतो आणि ऑफिसलाही वेळ द्यायचा असतो. ऑफिसला जास्तच वेळ देतात ते, पण ज्यावेळेस हे ॲप्रिशिएशन मिळतं ना, त्यावेळेस तो जो जास्त वेळ दिलेला असतो ना ऑफिससाठी, तो वेळ कुठेतरी सार्थकी लागला, कार्य लागला याचं समाधान मिळतं आणि आनंदही मिळतो. आणि महिंद्रा कंपनी हे नेहमीच करत आली आहे. सो थँक्यू सो मच.
Hi everyone, I'm Shravani Vatsure. First of all, I would say he's a very supportive father and always supports me in my decisions. He would any day suggest me to watch a film rather than study. He's very dedicated towards his work, which inspires me to never take my work for granted. He has great time management skills and is very disciplined, which sometimes annoys him because I'm very indisciplined. But I would like to be like him and achieve many more things. Thank you.
हाय, माझं नाव सायराज वागचौरे. हॅलो पप्पा, कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स. माहिती आहे तुम्ही खूप डिसिप्लिन्ड आहात, पण तुम्ही केअरिंग आणि लव्हिंग पण आहात. पण तुम्ही थोडी मज्जा करत जा, थोडी चिल्ड आउट राहत जा. मला माहिती आहे तुम्हाला क्रिकेट आवडतं, मला पण क्रिकेट आवडतं, पण थोडं टाइम काढून माझ्यासोबत पण क्रिकेट खेळत जा. थँक्यू.
Many congratulations, Sachin Sahib, my dear husband. You have made it again. You have achieved one more milestone, and your achievements always make me proud. Your hard work, your dedication, your passion for the work have paid off. Keep shining, keep growing. I wish you good health, all the success in your life, and all the best for all your future endeavors.
Hello, congratulations, Papa. I'm really grateful to hear that you've been promoted. I love the way you're dedicated and show your spirit towards the work. You're a person who is endowed with tremendous qualities. You're my friend, you're my father, you're my teacher, and you mean a lot to me. I love you. Once again, congratulations. Bye bye.
Thank you, Papa. Firstly, I would like to congratulate you on your promotion. That this achievement is very well deserved for you. The hard work and dedication you have put in has always inspired me. You put in so much effort into everything that it just shows. You have always taught me the value of perseverance and passion towards our work. And I see how much you love your work. It just makes me want to work like you and work hard like you. I feel that this achievement is very well deserved for you. Very happy for you. Thank you.
सचिन राव तुमच्या प्रमोशन बद्दल खूप खूप अभिनंदन.
Wish you all the very best on your well-deserved promotion.
हो.
Congratulations, Sachin Kaka.
Congratulations, Sachin Kaka.
Kaka, this promotion is a fantastic accomplishment. I know you'll excel in your new role. You're an inspiration to me and I'm very happy for you. Congratulations.
सचिन, तुझे प्रमोशन बद्दल खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. अशीच प्रगती करत राहा.
Hi Sachinda, you're an amazing brother and we always know you are capable of doing the great things and this promotion proves it again. So congratulations on your well-deserved promotion.
Congratulations, Sachin Bauji.
Congratulations, Bauji, on your well-deserved promotion, and may Goddess Durga will give you the all prosperity, health, and great future ahead.
Congratulations.
Hope you are having a good day. So today I have an exciting news to share with you that will make it even better. So finally it's the time to reveal it. Congratulations on your well-deserved promotion. This achievement of yours is the result of your tireless efforts and unwavering commitment to excellence. You have always been a role model for me, demonstrating me the importance of perseverance and integrity in everything you do. Thank you for being the wonderful person you are and doing your best at work and at home. We are incredibly proud of you and are excited to celebrate this well-deserved milestone with you.
I am so thrilled to hear about your promotion. This is such a wonderful news and I would like to spend a moment to congratulate you. Your hard work, dedication and bold commitments have always been very inspiring to me, and this is no surprise that your efforts have been recognized and rewarded. Congratulations once again, Papa. We are so happy that you got this promotion and we are grateful for everything you do for us. Thank you, Papa.
My name is Aryan Ganesh Jadhav. Today I am here to speak some words about my father. He will give time and value for his office work and family. He is very honesty and kind to others. He is the best father in the world. He is really a hard-working man. When he is doing office work, my mother says we should never trouble him. Thank you.
सावित्री है. मैं गणेश जी की वाइफ बोल रही हूँ. मेरे पति टाइम को बहुत महत्व देते हैं. जैसे टाइम को महत्व देते हैं वैसे काम को और फैमिली को बहुत कदर करते हैं. वो हर रोल अच्छे से निभाते हैं. जब वो ऑफिस का वर्क घर में करते हैं तो वो कोशिश करते हैं कि उनकी वजह से हम लोगों को कुछ तकलीफ नहीं होनी चाहिए, और हम भी ये कोशिश करते हैं कि हमारी वजह से उनके काम में कुछ बाधाएं नहीं आनी चाहिए. मेरे बच्चे भी मुझे बहुत सपोर्ट करते हैं और मेरे पति के काम में कुछ बाधा नहीं आनी चाहिए, ये हर बार हम कोशिश करते हैं. मेरे पति टाइम को उतना वैल्यू देते हैं कि वो बोलते हैं जो कल करना है वो आज करेंगे, आज जो करते हैं वो अभी करना चाहिए. धन्यवाद. अभिनंदन गणेश.
I am Anjali, Ganesh Jadhav's lovely daughter. I stand before you with a heart full of pride. It is an honor to share you a glimpse of my favorite person, my father. I have always admired my father as a special human being. Not only because he is a great father, but also because he has been a wonderful friend and a guide to me. What appeals me most is how he treats my mom. He treats her like an equal partner and tries to assist her in every possible manner. He might sometimes have work-related stress, but has never allowed it to bother him or disturb him to the point of venting it out on the family. We have a lot to learn from him. He is an ambitious, hardworking and full of enthusiasm towards his work and his wife. We on our part try to perform our task to the best of our abilities and seek his results often. In our dad, we have a calm, composed, compassionate and an empathetic human being. Thank you.